The Earth's plates are connected together. Earth's plates are connected together tightly. These plates are huge slabs of rock which the land and water sits on. It is a scientific theory. How the plates work are called plate tectonics. And for example, take Afghanistan. A earthquake happened in Afghanistan which hit Pakistan, and from Pakistan it went to India to Delhi. And this earthquake was caused because of the plate's movement. Thank you.